is a group data information and group data in the form of continuous table. ओके, ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये कंटिन्यूअस डाटा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का क्वेश्चन है। इसके पहले हमने किया था ग्रुप डाटा का ही डिस्क्रीट क्वेश्चन, डिस्क्रीट डाटा का किया था। आज कंटिन्यूअस डाटा का कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। जैसे कि 10 से 20 क्लास मार्क में ये फ्रीक्वेंसी 2 है, 20 से 30 में 3 फ्रीक्वेंसी है, 30 to 40 8 फ्रीक्वेंसी है, 40 to 50 में 14 फ्रीक्वेंसी है, 50 to 60 में 8 फ्रीक्वेंसी है, 60 to 70 में 3 फ्रीक्वेंसी है, 70 to 80 में 2 फ्रीक्वेंसी है। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन, ओके। इसमें फाइंड आउट करना है मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन। क्या निकालना है? मीन डेविएशन अबाउट मीन, ये फाइंड आउट करना है। तो सबसे पहले इसमें मीन निकालते हैं। मीन निकालने के लिए ये हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी है, दिस इज फ्रीक्वेंसी fi, and first of all we calculate the midpoint of this class interval, and this is the formula of midpoint is equal to lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. This is the formula, that is 10 plus 20, that is 30 by 2, and this is 15. Therefore midpoint and this is xi, 15, 20 plus 30, that is 50, 50 by 2, this is 25, and 30 plus 40, this is 70, and 70 by 2, that is 35. 40 plus 50, that is 19, and 90 and 90 by 2, that is 45. 50 plus 60, that is 110, and 110 by 2, that is 55. And again 60 plus 70 by 2, that is 65, and 70 plus 80 by 2, that is 75. This is your answer. Again, formula of mean is x bar is equal to sigma fi x imr sigma fi. Next column is fi into xi, fi into xi. Now here fi is this and xi is this. 2 into 15, that is 30. 3 into 25, and that is 75. 8 into 35, 8 5 40, and 280, and 14 into 45, that is 630. 8 into 55, 8 into 55, that is 440, and 3 into 65, 3 into 65, that is 195, 195, and 2 into 75, that is 150, and again sigma fi into xi, sum of all entries 30 plus 75 plus 280 plus 630 plus 450 plus 195 plus 150, and this is 1800. Now mean is equal to sigma fi therefore 1800 upon 40, and this is equal to 4. Mean is 45. Okay. Now again, mean derivation about mean new column is xi minus mean, and this is x bar xi, these equals, and mean is here. Now difference 15 mod of 15 minus 45, that is 30, and 25 mod of 25 minus 45, difference of this, that is 20. Again mod of 35 minus 45, difference is 10. Okay. Now mod of 45 minus 45, that is answer 0. Mod of 55 minus 45, and this is 10. Mod of 65 minus 45, and that is 20. And now next is 75 minus 45, the difference is 30. These are mod of xi minus mean. Now the next column is fi into mod of xi minus mean. Again, multiplication of fi into xi minus mean. Now fi are here, that is 2 into 30, and this is 60. Again 3 into 20, again that is 60. 8 into 10, and that is 80. 14 into 0, that is 0. Now 8 into 10, that is 80. Again 3 into 20, that is 60, and 2 into 30, that is also 60. Now we can calculate the summation of fi mod of xi minus x bar, and this is equal to sum of all these digits, and this is equal to 400. 400. Now next, mean derivation about mean. Mean derivation about mean is equal to summation fi mod of xi minus mean upon summation fi, and this is the formula mean derivation about mean. Mean derivation about mean is equal to summation fi mod of xi minus mean upon summation fi, and here the value of fi mod of xi minus mean is 400, and summation of fi is 40. Okay. Now this is equal to 400 upon 40, and now here mean derivation about mean is equal to 400 upon 40. Mean derivation about mean is, that is question is again income per day. The range is 0 to 100 rupees per person. This is the frequency FI. And 0 to 100 rupees 4%, and 100 to 200 rupees 8%, 200 to 300 rupees 9%. This is the number of person is known as frequency of the data. And 300 to 400, that is 10%, and 400 to 500 income is 7%, and 500 to 600% is 5%, 600 to 700 rupees 4%, and 700 to 800, that is 3%. Number of frequency are given. Okay. Now the first of all, midpoint 0 to 10, 0 to 100, and 0 plus 100 by 2, that is 50. 100 plus 200 by 2, that is 300 by 2, and this is 150. Again 200 plus 300 by 2, that is 250, and 300 plus 400 by 2, that is 350, and 400 plus 500 by 2, that is 450, and 500 plus 600 upon 2, that is 550, and 600 plus 700 upon 2, that is 650, 700 plus 800 by 2, that is 750. This is the midpoint. First of all, calculate the mean of the data. And next column is Fi into Xi. Fi are given, and therefore Fi is 4 into 50, that is 200, and 8 into 150, and that is 1200. And 9 into 250, then this is equal to 200, 225, ठीक है, 225 and single zero, and this is 10 into 350, that is 3500. Again 7 into 450, 7 into 450, that is 3150. Again 5 into 550, and this is 2750, 2750, and again 4 into 650, 4 into 650, that is 2600, and 3 into 750, 3 into 750, that is 2250. Summation Fi Xi, sum of all into, that is 200 plus 1200 plus 2250, that is 17,900, and summation of Fi, that is 10 and 20 or 28, 40. Summation of Fi is 40 and 10, 50. Total 50 है. Mean of the data. Mean of the data. Summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi, and that is 179,001,50, and the calculation of these 358 mean. And next column is xi minus mean, and here xi is 50 minus 358, and this is 308. Okay, and now 150 minus 358, and this is equal to 208. 208. Now next is 250 minus 358, and this is 108, and again 350 minus 358, that is equal to 8. Okay, and now again 450 minus 358 is equal to 92. Again 550 minus 358, that is 192, and again 650 minus 358, that is 292. Again 750 minus 358, and this is 392. Okay, again multiplication of fi into mod of xi minus mean. Now the next column is fi mod of xi minus mean is 1232, 1664, 972, and this is 80, 644, 960, 1168, 1176. Summation fi mod of xi minus mean is equal to 7896. 7896. Again formula, mean variation about mean is equal to sigma fi mod of xi minus mean upon sigma fi, and therefore this is the value 7896 upon sigma fi is 50. Division of these is 157.92, and this is equal to 157.92, and this is your answer. Okay, note down all of you, and now the next question is in next class. Okay.